Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel. Today, I will show you how to block purchasing one-time purchase and subscription purchases together. So you can see when I try to add this to the cart, this is one-time project, and with this is subscription plan. People can add both of them and people can purchase it. But you can actually block this one. So for this, I'm using this next order limit quantity app from Shopify App Store. I also added the link in the description of this video so you can check it from there. So once you install the app, then open your admin panel. So then open the app. You can see create validation here. You can create a new validation. So you can give a name for this. This is a title. It's only for your reference. So here, from here, you can add new condition. So you can select product period title. And when it contains one-time purchase, for example, so this is one time, right? Then you can copy this. Then you can paste it here. You can add one more condition. So when it's contain product variant title, which not contains, or we can give which contains subscribe. I'm copying this, right? Then can paste it here. Then if these conditions are met, like sometimes people try to order this one and try to order this, then we can send an error message of then you can make this active and save it. Okay, now we can go and test on our store and reloading this. So if I try to add this, it's adding. If I try to add, you can see the messages popping up. So this is how you can limit it. And let me remove this. And if you try to add the subscribe one, it's adding. And if you try to add the one time, it will not work. And if you try to add the next one, it will also work. So this is how you can make this rule active. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, and the app link is in the description. You can check it from there. Okay, thank you.